Here we are again, slaying the bluefin tuna off of Virginia Beach. I mean, look at the birds around these net boats. The fish and the bait was everywhere. Man, we trolled around this, and you could just see bluefin tuna busting the surface, and it didn't take long. I mean, look at the birds, look at the action. It won't long, and bam, we got our bite. And now we're down and tight again.
Awesome. Coming up. Awesome fish. I'm videoing this right now. Line on. That's a caught fish.
Man, this fish had no quit in it whatsoever.
Up again. A big, big fish.
Every time this thing did a death circle, we thought that the fight was almost over, but man, it just kept happening over and over and over again, fighting this sea monster. Right when you think this thing's ready to give up, man, it springs to life again and dives back down deep.
Pop it. I'm holding.
Well, it's not the cleanest release in the world, but the fish swam away healthy.